my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and once again we are in my kitchen. Today I have a very adventurous project I'm going to do. Yesterday I went out and noticed that the apples on my apple tree were ready to pick, so I harvested all of them. Things in order of what I think I'm going to do include I want to dehydrate some for apple chips. I'm going to make some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to make some pie filling. And I'm also going to can some of the apples depending on how many I have left over so that I can put them in my water canner, and we'll put those in the shells and use them as we need it. So hey, come on, let's go. Let's do this. I have my spiralizer set up to core and to slice the apples. I have one bin to collect the peel and the core, which I'm going to save to make the apple cider vinegar. Then I have another container filled with water and lemon juice that I'm going to put the sliced apples in. This is a simple syrup mixture with cinnamon sticks. Then in my quart-sized jar, in one half, I have some cut up apples, and I'm going to pour the simple syrup over the apples, seal the jars, and then put them in a water bath for 25 minutes. Cleaning the rim of the jars so that they'll be free of sugar or whatever may prevent them from sealing. Now it's time to put the lids and bands on. Water is sufficient to cover the top of the lids. And we'll start 25 minutes from the time it starts to boiling again.